John Deere Briggs and Stratton 19.5. It's what is this? It's a LA 105. Came to me with the starter off of it, kind of in pieces. So I'm not sure what's going on. I was able to spin the motor over by hand. Did feel a good amount of a resistance to it though. When I pulled the plug and spun it over with the starter motor, it blew all kinds of crap out of it. And it's got all kinds of crap in there. That's all from trying to start it. You can see it looks like it's trying to blow stuff out of the intake, so not sure what's going on. Checked the oil, it didn't seem overfilled. So it didn't look like it had gas in there or anything like that. But I have zero history on this. So, trying to see if it's worth saving, because the rest of the mower is clean enough. So I don't know if this is a repower or what I can do with this.